on. We're just going to address some numbers. NIIT reported numbers just a short while back, and they've seen a very strong growth in earnings, primarily due to a low base. So revenue has grown 30% to about 275 odd crores. EBITDA too has come in at 6970 crores compared with about 3 crores in the previous year, and PAT too has grown now to about 46.5 crores. But important to remember that this is on a low base. We have the management joining in now. Mr. Vijay Thadani, the Vice Chairman and MD of NIIT, joins in. Mr. Thadani, good afternoon, sir. This quarter is looking good. But given that classes still remain shut and the physical centers may not be opened anytime soon, at least for the bulk of the country, what is the outlook now for Q1 and Q2?
Okay. So the first thing which I want to say is I heard you say that it was on a low base of last year fourth quarter, which indeed was true, but actually we have been growing sequentially very well. Even this quarter, the growth was 9% quarter on quarter. So that's one. So it's a consistent growth path, and therefore that part will continue. The second part which I want to say is the larger part of this growth has come from our corporate learning business, which is in North America and Europe. And that is on a massive upswing, A, because of new contracts, B, because of certain contracts which have done exceptionally well last quarter, and that momentum is continuing to happen. You are absolutely right. We do have the challenge of the current pandemic for at least in the short term. But even then, I think a certain growth momentum in the next quarter and the following quarters will continue. And during the year, I think as the North American and the European markets are opening up more and more, I think we should be able to maintain a good momentum during this year.
So, sir, normally for this corporate learning group, which is what more than 85% of your revenue, you give annual guidance of 15%, right? So are you looking to revise it this year? I mean, since you're sounding optimistic.
I admire your memory, and that's exactly true. Yes, we are actually looking at a better year this year, given the momentum that we have, and we think it will be slightly better than that. So mid-teens is what we are hoping now. There are many ifs and buts. There are many moving parts, but that is definitely being looked at. But the important thing is the margin improvement, because after that, after a certain level, the contract margins have been very good. So we should be able to see a 20% kind of an EBITDA margin during the year, which is what we always wanted to do and have been striving to do. So we have now reached a level of performance at which that will begin to happen. The other thing I wanted to say was, while you did talk about physical centers, but I think I'd like to remind you that our business model since then has pivoted to a digital learning. And therefore, that part of business is now working more like an edtech company. And I think the digital model, given our strong pedigree in technology and education, I think is evolving extremely well, and that will also show growth as we go. Of course, for market development activities, we would have to spend a disproportionate amount of money, but that's to get the growth. So I think we are on an accelerated growth path as we go forward.
So I was just coming to digital next, because it's a small segment for you, but it has a big growth opportunity. So want to know what is the expected growth rate? By when will it contribute significantly, given that the last year and perhaps the coming 1-2 years will be a big opportunity for this segment?
Yeah, so I think the good news is when you switch to a digital business, then in the beginning the growth is slow as you are testing and experimenting, which is what we have been doing most of the time during last year or second part of the last year, when we pivoted completely. And I think we should begin to see this curve rising up as the quarters go by during the year. And therefore, we do see that over a period of next couple of years, this or actually more, it will be a very, very high growth business in revenues. On the other hand, the corporate learning group is on a steady rate of growth and has now discovered the new orbit of growth and will continue to grow at that pace. And of course, in both these, we will look at both organic and inorganic opportunities for growth.
Okay, sir, any update on the sale of the school assets?
It's work in progress. As you know, schools themselves have been closed for a while now. So it's work in progress, and as and when there is something that we would share it.
Okay, so just one final question then. What have been the key geographies where you have seen the most growth, and in the coming year, what will be your focus areas? Okay.
So our key geographies of growth have been North America. North America recovered the fastest, and as you know, the North American market is on an upswing. And therefore, North American geography is definitely one of those. The second is now Europe. Europe is rebounding, and UK especially. So UK and Europe are the second ports of call that we are looking at. And I think in India, as more and more people get vaccinated and people are able to move around a little, and then I think India will also start seeing growth. But in the digital model, India is already growing and growing quarter on quarter, and will continue to grow as we complete our experimentation and discover the stable model that we are looking at. What are the tailwinds? Tailwind is the increased hiring which has taken place in technology and BFSI, right? And both those are our sweet spots, and we excel in those two areas. So I think we will see the benefit of those tailwinds as well.
Mr. Thadani, thank you very much for your time, sir, this afternoon, and all the very best for the coming.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, so that's the word. Thanks, sir. That's the word coming in from NIIT, and in fact, right on its heel, we have a CNBC TV 18 exclusive 2 coming your way. There is a flurry of activity